We have been talking about lines, straight lines, and planar surfaces. Uh, However, in architecture, while designing our spaces, we can use curves. Uh, and here are some ideas about the formation of different curvature surfaces. First, let's examine some certain types of the curves. We can have closed curves. Here you see a circle, or it can be an ellipse, or these curves can be open, uh, which is, for an example, which we can see an arc. It's a circle segment, or it can be a parabol or other types of curves. And by using these curves and straight lines, we can create different curvature surfaces. These curvature surfaces may include just one curve and a line. So they are called single curvatures. Uh, let's say that we have a circle here and we have a line. And by moving this line along the circle, we can have a cylindrical surface, or we can do the opposite. We can fix the line and move the circle along the line, and at the end we will have the same surface, and this is called a cylindrical surface. And by the surface, by saying the surface, talking about the surface, I mean this surface, this curvative surface here. If you close this and create a volume, then we can talk about a cylinder. When we are just concentrating on this edge here, we can say that it's a cylindrical surface. Or we can do another example by using a parabol. We can use a parabol and the line, and if I move the line along the parabol here, I can have a parabolic surface like this, or the same will be, it will be the same if I fix the line and move the parabol along the line. I will at the end have a parabolic surface. These are two examples of single curvature surfaces. But for what happens if I have two curves? What happens if I try to create surfaces that includes two curves? Then I can talk about the double curvature surfaces. Let's say that I have two circles. One is positioned like this, and the other is positioned like this. And I am just rotating this one along this axis here. Then I will have a spherical surface. This creates a sphere as the volume, as the object itself, but the surface, just the shell, it can be called a spherical surface. Or let's say that I have two parabolas and I am moving this parabol along another one. And at the end, I will have a shape like this, and it is called a hyperbolic paraboloid. These are different examples of curvature surfaces that we can use in architecture.